Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Life has a way of jumping on you. More projects in the shop today. We still have the little DJ5 out here, and it's still an ongoing work. So y'all don't give up on me on that. I'm sorry. We're trying to get back to loading up videos. Let me tell you what we got. This is the old Crown Royal golf cart we've had for 20-something years, and it's run. It still runs, but the motor's done. It's wore out. We've been running this thing at a lot of bike rallies. Most of y'all have seen the old Crown Royal golf cart, and we have accumulated the stuff to redo this cart. So this is going to be saying goodbye to Crown Royal for a minute. We're trying to get ready, got some stuff coming up, but the motor's tired. Last Millersville Thunder Rally that we went to with it, she caught on fire. A lot of blow by, and I had a breather, and you can see that's part of the carnage. It pretty much melted her down pretty good. So the motor's tired. There's probably 1,000,000 miles on it. There ain't much wind left in it. Compression's way down. It still goes. It still drove itself in here. But what's going to happen is we're going to be taking all of this stuff, the engine and all, out in this series, and we're going to be rebuilding it. I'm going to try to go through the process. I'm not going to sit here and go through every little thing. If you want to know more in depth, hey, there's tons of ezgo videos out there. This is the 295 Robbins engine. What this consists of: me disconnecting the battery. I'm going to drop the starter generator off of it. I'm going to take the carb off of it. I'm going to take and drop the manifold off the back, knock the bolts out of the engine, pull it out, get it on the bench, and when that comes around, guys, I'm going to take and get you back in and show you what we got, and so on and so forth. But for today, to get us started off in this series, because this will be a series on redoing this cart, and it's been a long time coming, and a lot of y'all know this old cart. We've had a whole lot of fun on this old thing. And we're going as far as even new leaf springs, etc. with it. So guess what? Here we go. Y'all dig in. Hey, if you get a chance, hit like and subscribe to the channel if you're not. And we'd love to have you. We appreciate every one of you. Also, y'all remember when we done this golf cart lower thing about lowering our top up and down to get it in the enclosed trailer? It's worked flawlessly. That has worked. So it's an excellent thing for those of you who might be interested in doing that. Yeah, look, I've got a video, I think, where I started this. It was real cheap, about 20 bucks to do it. So jump in that and check it out. Guys, once again, thank y'all so much. And listen, we're going to get back. The videos will probably get a little bit longer. I've not got everything set up. We've just got where I can get in here in the building. It's hot on the East Coast. It's hot. Down here next to Florida, it is hot. It's just hot. We've had some hurricane stuff going on and so on and so forth. But we're back. We're going to start doing the videos again, getting back on like the DJ5 and a few other stuff. Y'all stay with us. Thank you. We appreciate every one of you. And see you on the next one.